News headlines are buzzing about TikTok security issues. We're here to sum up what these security flaws are and how you can protect yourself from potential hackers. A security firm called Check Point did some research into TikTok's security and found some areas both within the mobile app and on the TikTok website that left users and their information vulnerable. Because of these vulnerabilities, hackers could have been able to delete videos from a user's account, change privacy settings on a video, force users onto a server controlled by a hacker, redirect users to a malicious website, and retrieve personal information such as names and birth dates. Check Point made TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, aware of these vulnerabilities, and ByteDance, quote, responsibly deployed a solution after being informed of the issues. The security firm agreed that these issues had been patched and that these were zero-day vulnerabilities, meaning that the security flaws had not actually been exploited by hackers. One of the ways hackers could have attempted to take over user accounts is through sending malicious links in TikTok direct messages. In order to stay safe when using TikTok and protect yourself from those who may have malicious intent, we would advise that users not open any messages they may receive from other users they do not know personally. Also, never open any links that appear in direct messages, as this could allow a hacker to access your account. In your TikTok settings, you can change which users are allowed to send you direct messages. We'd advise that you change this setting to friends only or turn messaging off completely. As previously mentioned, these security flaws have now been patched, and reports say that TikTok is safe to use. However, as with any social app, always be careful who you talk to and don't risk clicking on external links you may be sent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech videos like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.